Moisture is holding steady at 60%.
Good. The nitrates are balanced according to the profile.
The humidity reading in Sector 4 is spiking again.
I see that. Let's adjust the misting cycle remotely.
The pH levels are stable at 6.2.
Good, inputting the data now.
Looks like the shading adjustment is complete.
Confirmed. Temperature and moisture levels are optimal for the seedlings.
Look at this discoloration right here. Let's scan it. Looks like early blight.
This one is ready to be tagged.
Check the caliper, it's just over the limit.
Looks like the nitrogen levels are perfect, yeah?
Yes, the automated system is working flawlessly.
Everything looks good on this row. The moisture levels are holding steady.
Agreed. Let's move to the next section.
This crate is full. Bring the next one up here.
Check the batch number on this one.
Yeah, that matches the manifest. We're clear here.
Drive safe, everyone. See you on the next run.
Check lane 4. The sizing calibration seems slightly off.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters now.
The airflow readings are holding steady right here.
Good, the humidity levels seem optimal for the drying process.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It's holding steady at the target, optimizing the shelf life. The weight on this batch is perfect, 2.5 kilograms. Noted. Moving to quality control now.
We're almost at capacity on this one, Mark.
Yeah, I see the overflow warning here.
Check the humidity on the far gauge.
It's stable now. I've logged the readings.
Check the readings on the latest batch.
Looks optimal. We can move them to staging area 3.
temperature gauge is reading slightly high over here.
Adjusting the flow rate now, we are within parameters.
We are maintaining a 98% accuracy rate on the seasoning.
The oil mist is consistent across all samples.
The rotation speed seems low on line 3.
I just adjusted the setting, it should be fine now.
We have a slight fluctuation on tunnel 4.
I see it. The airflow adjustment seems to have stabilized it now.
Check the temperature on zone 3. It's stable. Logging the data now.
The temperature reading is fluctuating slightly here. Yeah.
It's within the acceptable range. The steam flow is consistent.
Look at the temperature reading here. It dipped by half a degree.
I see it. The system corrected automatically, but we should log it.
The third AGV is slightly off schedule.
It should correct itself before the intersection.
The humidity is steady at 90%. Temperature holding at 5 Celsius. I'll log it now.
Forklift 3, bring the eggplant pallets to bay 4.
Confirmed. Moving now. Batch 7 checked.
Bring it back 10 feet.
Straps are secure, boss.
Confirmed. Load is good to go.
I'm bringing the next pallet up now. Okay, this one is almost clear.
Verify this batch code here.
Confirmed. Applying the sticker now.
How did that look? See the moisture? Perfect. The purple really pops under these lights.
Can I help you find what you're looking for, sir?
Oh yes, are these organic?
They are freshly stocked today.
That will be $12.50 at the register. Did you find everything all right today?
Lowering now. Confirm position 402.
Hold it steady. Almost there.
Batch codes 2R and 6T verified.
Destination labels match the manifest. Clear for shipping.
Temperature holding at 13 Celsius.
All green across the board.
These look good. Very fresh.
Agreed. Move this crate to the front display.
Are these locally sourced?
Yes, they arrived this morning. We also have some organic ones on the next aisle.
From the sun-drenched fields to the automated efficiency of the processing line, our eggplants are carefully prepared.